Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So guys, today this is like number two of me showing you guys I want to like do more. I want to take care of myself this year, like this 2024. I want to take care of myself, and I'm starting this by registering and starting gym. I've been going to the gym before, but I'm not like frequent. But this time around, I want to do it frequently. I want to like be consistent with it. So I'm like, okay, I need to start checking my weight. And I got let's say gingered when I checked my weight. Like guys, I went from um I went from 100. I think that was last year, early last year. I went to buy something at the supermarket here, and I saw a scale there. I'm like, let me even check my weight and see what I weigh. And I climbed on this scale, guys. I was weighing 100 kg. I'm like, what? How did I get here? So I have to, and I think it's very important to have this scale in your house or your home if you're on this weight loss. Even if you're not a weight loss, you want to make sure you're on the right weight. You need this to always check it to keep you on check and know, okay, this is, and when you check your weight and it's not like what it used to be, then you know that you need to work on yourself or check what you do just to be fit. So after that, I got when I noticed I was weighing 100, I had to buy the scale immediately, and I started this weight loss journey, like kind of healthy meals. That was what I do there. I do healthy meals and that, and from there, from 100, I went down to 85. It was surprising that I even felt sick at that point because I was not eating. I was just taking fruit, a lot of fruit, and there's this flat tummy concussion. Not let's say concussion. It's not concussion. Flat tummy tea that I tried is made with cucumber, lime, lemon, and something like that. So you just I I usually mix that together and drink it every day. But guys, I don't know, maybe those fruits were not healthy and it kind of disturbed me. So now I've stopped after getting to 85 kg. I said, okay, my goal was to get to 70. Then after that I stopped now, and now my scale got spoiled as well. So I was not checking and everything. So I decided to buy another scale. So this is the scale here. I'm going to unboxing it with you guys. And when I bought this scale and I climbed on it, guys, I now weigh 95, and I'm like, what is going on? So let me just quickly unbox this scale with you guys, and I'm going to weigh it. I'm going to step on it and show you. I like this scale because the one I had, I think, is a manual one. You have to set it to zero and make sure it's on zero before you climbed on it. But this one is just, I think this is digital, I guess. You just climbed on it. To not show anything, but when you climb on it, when you step on it rather, it should show the reading. So I enter this store. I bought this at ShopRite, by the way. So there is this store that sells this thing at ShopRite. So you can take up to 180 to 180 max. So this is body weight balance, and this is it. This is their current and their language, and this is just it's very simple box, very simple, very simple. This is how this is the front to the back. These are some things you can need to read, and yeah. Surprisingly, when I picked this thing up, the price tag there was 10,000. At checkout point, the price was something. I'm like, what is going on? Kind of felt discouraged. I said, let me just buy it, sha, because I actually needed it. Because when I went to check out, the price was different, like way higher than what the price tag is. And the lady was like, "Well, it's a mistake. This, they have to do this and that." Well, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Let's set the box aside. There's nothing else inside the box. Is there anything? Okay, nothing. So this is the scale. Like they had to open it so I can test it. I made sure it's working before leaving the store. So it comes with this manual. Yeah, let's set that aside. And this is the scale here. This is the front and the back. When I bought this, I'm like, with my weight, hope if I step on this, it will not just go and break. But by greatest surprise, it's kind of strong. It's very durable. It says here made in China, right? Yeah, made in China. So let's test this. Oh, there's no battery, but I have battery. I'm gonna insert battery real quick. A moment, let me get a battery. So I bought this battery there too. This battery is expensive. It's not like all those battery that I will just buy. This one is, I think I got this for 2.5. The battery I got it for 2.5, and I got the scale for 14,000. Don't have the price tag, but it's something 14 something rather, 14,005 something thereabouts. Let's just put this, and battery looks solid though. So this is a pack of how many, and it's sold for 2.5 like this. So let's put it, let's insert this battery. I hope it's the size. Okay, yeah, it is. What? Are you sure this is the size? Oh, I'm scared for a minute. Okay, so like I said, it doesn't come. Okay, sure. Ooh, why is this for fluctuating? What? Okay, let's put this down and let me step on it. So let's step on this and check my weight. This is not working, no. 68.35. No, it's not right. When I bought it, I checked at the store. I was weighing 95. And there's no button here to control or do anything to this thing. There's no button here to reset or do any other thing. Guys, have I bought fake products? And it's showing 0.000. So that means it's what?
So guys, I noticed that it was giving this result because I placed it on a rug, which is kind of thick, and it's not smooth. So when I placed it on a smooth surface, I was able to read the actual weight, my actual weight here. So I was getting that error here because you can see the rug. I placed it on a rug, so it wasn't giving me the accurate results. Yeah, so if you have yours, you can place it on a smooth surface, and it will read the actual weight.